Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today I am in class 11B and here I am going to conduct a speech competition. Some students will come here and they will deliver their speech, and speech may be different. So I am going to call Payal. First of all, yes, please come. Start it.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Pal from class 11B. Good afternoon everyone. I am Pal from class 11B. Today I am here to present a speech on importance of education. First of all, education plays a very important role in our life. Without education, we cannot achieve any success in life. Education gives us a chance to read and write. Everyone has rights to take education. Education is the key of success, but it is not easy. It takes a lot of practice and hard work. Like efforts make man perfect and practice make man to be a talented. In today's life, the field of education is increasing. Education is acquired through school, college, universities, and both as well as within, outside of country. It helps to set your goals and achieve your dreams. It helps you to develop your self-confidence and you to get great things in your future. So helping the people to realize the importance of education is main goal. Thank you.
Very good speech. Clap for us. So from this way we came to know that how education is important for all of us. So who will the next participant? Yes.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Anantika and I am here to deliver a speech on India in 21st century. So in the era of 21st century, not mine but our country is in the developing process. The Indian Space Research Organization team completed its project of Chandrayaan 2 and now thinking about Mars. Our country gained many achievements which were impossible for developed countries like America, Japan, Russia, etc. Meeting of G20 was held in our country on 9 and 10 September 2023, which was a glad moment for our country. Now our country is developing in every sectors. Each type of guns, rifles, planes are made in India. India wins 100 of medals in Asian Games, which is a proud moment for our country. The Namo Bharat train was made in India, which shows our country is developing very fastly. Moreover, our education system is being improved in each states and tries to give education to poor people, and I believe my country will be soon counted in a developed country. I am proud of my country, and it is blessing for me that I have born in the country which was known as a golden sparrow. Thank you.
Very good. And one thing I want to mention that you all are the judges for this competition. At the end, you will decide who will win the speech competition. Okay? So who will be the next participant? Okay, please come.
Hello everyone, my name is Disha Rana. Today I am present to my speech on the gender equality. Every individual human in the world is equal, no matter what color they are, where they come from and what gender they are. In the almost every nation around the world is suffer from the gender equality. In mostly gender equality start from our house. Boys child and girl children are treated differently, and the boy child are given greater care than the girl child. Education is denied for girls in many houses just because they are girls. Equality between men and women exists when both sexes are able to share their equality in the distribution of power and influence. But the life of men are just strongly influenced by the gender, by those of women. But boys and girls are born with the same emotion. But society said men can't show their emotion and become stronger and tough. But when mostly the time when men show their emotion, society said you are not a girl who cries in every situation. Become a man who is become a man who is stronger and tough. Boys also have right to assume a more nurturing role in and opportunities for them to do and show should be promoted. And today, those days, the concept of gender equality is most popular concept. Especially women are always ready to fight for their positions. But sometimes women misuse their powers and rights for defame a man. So, gender equality does not mean equality for only women. It means equality for men also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Next.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Soni Dura. I am here to present a speech on the importance of English language. English is a language that is spoken by people all over the world and can be easily understood. Today's English is spoken mostly everywhere in the world. Today, English is being used in education system and in the field of work. The English language has a special importance of the field of education. We offer all higher education courses like engineering, IIT, MBA, medical and computer education are in English language, and books are also in English language. Therefore, it has become most important is student in study English language. So today's social medias has being used all over the world, and all things and social medias are done in English. So English is very important of the field of education. Today English is being used all big and small companies, and interviews in companies are conducted in English only. In changing times we are not include English language in our life. We not be able to progress success in your life. So writing, reading, learning English are very important for us. Thank you.
Very good, very good. So, according to me, as Soni described the whole importance of English in our life, so I think we all will try to learn more and more English in our life. We will enhance our vocabulary and confidence as well. So, who will be the next?
Good morning everyone. My name is Kamini Raut. I am from 11th grade. Today I am telling about importance of education. Education plays a very important role in everyone's life. It is very necessary to good and better life, and before that it is very important. Education makes our life prosperous and meaningful. It is the foundation of human development. It is said that education is the third eye of human being. It prepares us to face the world. Where you are educated, you know when to speak and when to remain silent. It is the education. It is the ray light of in the darkness, and it contains the hope for a good life. Education brings happiness in our life, and educated person respect everywhere. And education is only one thing that have no disadvantages. While you getting education, you lose nothing. Education is the basis of human being. Education should be equal for both man and woman, because both together healthy and educated society. The first school of any person is his family, and mother is said to be the first guru. But education is that weapon with the help of which one can face the biggest difficulties. Without education, you can't do very well. For that, education is very important in every area of our life. Education is such a thing which removes animality of human and teach to be live life. The masses of love, the masses of humanity can be spread in the society only through good education. Good conclusion of education: those people are educated, they are self-dependent, and those people are not educated, they depend on others. Those people are educated, they know anything about to study, and who are not educated, they don't know related to study. In the last, I just want to say, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you.
Yes, it is true that education is most powerful weapon. Okay, so next.
Good morning to all. My name is Prachi and I study in 11th class. Today I am present here to deliver a short speech on our ancient custom Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. I am come from a land where the idea of all entire world being a single family, rooting our ethos Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is a Sanskrit phrase that means the whole world is a single family. Here Vasudha meaning earth, Ava meaning emphasize, and Kutumbakam meaning family. In our Vedic sage saying all entire world are living being, human, etc. all a single family. It is upheld by Indian tradition and philosophy. All living beings are a single family in our mentality. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is a message for all human, all living beings to conduct the same behavior to each other. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is a large scale of our humanity and kindness, passion. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam teaches courage, embarrassed to behavior other person to with love, kindness and passion. In the last of my speech, I am telling you a Sanskrit Varsi about describing Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Ayam bandhuryam garnam laghu chetsam. Ayam bandhuryam garnam laghu chetsam udar charitanam tu Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Thank you very much.
Very good. So, according to me, it was a phenomenal activity, and there were six participants, and they have chosen different topics. So it was a good thing. And according to me, first of all, I want to ask you, whose speech was the best speech? Payal's speech. Okay, according to the students, Payal's speech was the best speech. But according to me, all speeches were so good. All speeches were wonderful. All speeches were phenomenal. So all the students are winners of this competition. Now I would like to call Rishika to give feedback.
Thank you so much, sir. That first of all, I would like to thank you so much, sir, that you are conducting this fabulous kind of activities in our class. These activities removes our hesitation and improves our vocabulary also. So I am thanking you, sir, that you are conducting these marvelous kind of activities.
Thank you, Rishika. Thank you. So clap for all the participants.